Learn English with Allicia.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you today?
I am good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you busy now?
No, I am not busy.
Do you like this park?
Yes, I like it very much.
Is the weather nice today?
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every week.
Are you from America?
Yes, I am from America.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live nearby.
What are you doing now?
I am talking with you.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
Is that your bag?
Yes, it is my bag.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee a lot.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you work or study?
I study at a college.
What do you study?
I study English.
Is English easy for you?
No, but I practice every day.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I really like it.
Can you speak English well?
A little, but I am learning.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Are your friends friendly?
Yes, they are very friendly.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you sing?
A little, but not very well.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What movies do you watch?
I watch comedy movies.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What sport do you like?
I like basketball.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
Do you play every week?
Yes, I play on weekends.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every morning.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, sometimes.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to New York.
Do you like big cities?
Yes, they are exciting.
Is this your first time here?
No, I come here often.
Do you like walking outside?
Yes, it is relaxing.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Is your brother older?
Yes, he is older than me.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook dinner.
What food do you like?
I like pizza and pasta.
Can you cook pizza?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
What books do you read?
I read simple English books.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, every month.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, dogs are cute.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Is Max friendly?
Yes, he is very friendly.
Do you watch TV every day?
No, not every day.
What shows do you watch?
I watch funny shows.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it sometimes.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I do.
Can I see your phone?
Sure, here it is.
Is your phone new?
Yes, I bought it last month.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, shopping is fun.
What do you buy often?
I buy clothes and books.
Do you like your clothes today?
Yes, they are comfortable.
What season do you like?
I like spring
Why do you like spring?
because the weather is nice.
Do you like rain?
No, I prefer sunny days.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
Do you want to learn?
Yes, I do.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free.
Do you want to get coffee?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to the cafe nearby.
Is the cafe good?
Yes, the coffee is great.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, especially chocolate ice cream.
What hobbies do you have?
I like reading and drawing.
Can you draw well?
A little.
Do you use the internet a lot?
Yes, every day.
What do you do online?
I watch videos and study English.
Do you like English songs?
Yes, they help me learn.
Can you understand English movies?
Sometimes with subtitles.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice daily.
Is English important?
Yes, very important.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you shy?
A little shy sometimes.
Do you smile a lot?
Yes, I do.
Are you tired now?
No, I feel good.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you like cafes?
Yes, they are cozy.
What is your favorite place?
I like parks and cafes.
Do you enjoy this conversation?
Yes, it is very nice.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am having fun.
Do you want another coffee?
Yes, maybe later.
Can we talk again tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Are you a friendly person?
Yes, I think so.
Do you like helping people?
Yes, I do.
What makes you happy?
Good friends make me happy.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it is beautiful.
Is today a good day?
Yes, it is a wonderful day.
Thank you for talking with me.
You are welcome.
See you later.
See you soon.
Learn English with Alicia.